Hey everyone, welcome back to 𝑘𝙧𝙧, your go-to channel for the best kitchen gadgets, home essentials, and smart appliances. Today, we're checking out the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer, a powerful, versatile, and premium air fryer that can transform the way you cook. This is the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer, a 6-quart smart appliance with a premium ceramic coating for healthier cooking and easy cleanup. What makes it stand out? Its 9-in-1 functions. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, cook frozen, proof dough, reheat leftovers, and even keep warm, all in one machine. It heats precisely from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you perfect results every time. Thanks to TurboBlaze technology, it ensures fast and even cooking with less oil, making your meals crispier and healthier. The 6-quart capacity is big enough for family meals, whether it's chicken wings, pizza, or even baking bread. And cleanup? Super easy. The ceramic-coated basket is non-stick, durable, and toxin-free. With this one appliance, you'll save time, cook smarter, and enjoy restaurant-quality meals right at home. Whether you're meal prepping, entertaining, or just want quick snacks, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze has you covered. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer, check the link in the description below to grab yours today. Don't miss out, this is one gadget every modern kitchen needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the best product finds here on 𝑘𝙧𝙧. See you in the next video.